We still have, I don't know whether you want to,
I'll go for it.
yeah. So those ones, I don't think. All right, welcome to our show, and as our guest on the show, just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, actually, not much to say. Just looking forward to this challenge. Hope I'll have another big man.
Okay, so with us on the table are this variety of chilies, and these are cayenne pepper and these kambuzi chilies, and so we're going to enjoy our chilies. Are you a fan of chilies?
I am.
Okay, and what sort of chilies do you enjoy, or do you like eating?
Actually, there's like a specific chili which we have at our place. It's called. Anyway, forget. They are just small.
Okay.
They are hot, but I'm looking forward to try these ones.
All right. So what we'll do with this? These are very nice chilies. We're going to pick one of them, and then you have to eat or chew, literally chewing and swallowing. So it's very nice kambuzi, as it's commonly known, and sabola, as it is commonly known in Nyanja. Okay. What you do? You pick any of them. You can choose this type, Diane or the kambuzi, but I would rather maybe pick the kambuzi.
This one.
Yeah, and let's see how it tastes. You tell me how it feels when you're chewing. So you chew the whole kambuzi.
Alright.
So this is a kambuzi, and he has picked his.
Yeah.
So we're going to test the chilies. So these are really nice chilies. And anyone watching, if you want to be on the show and taste the kambuzi and these other chilies, or if you have chilies that are so hot, you can contact me on the show. All right, so cheers. Okay.
For the best.
Yeah. Take your time in chewing. It's so sweet. And okay. Wow. So we still have, I don't know whether you want to,
I'll go for it.
yeah. So those ones, I don't think they're so hot.
I'm dropping a tear.
Wow. So that's the cayenne pepper.
I go for it.
Yeah, sure. It must be sweet. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. How does it taste?
Wow. Don't mix it.
Okay. I can see you are strong. This thing is hot. So yeah, the kambuzi is really kambuzi. So yeah,
I'm actually doing better than this.
no, I can see you're
Being a guest, I'm even doing much better.
no, yeah. I think this is the first time I can see that you have done so well. We'll pick another. You for now. I think for now we'll
I can't.
end here. All right. Yeah.